Good morning, everyone. We are presenting our project. Uh, the project name is it is under Satkam course. We will be sharing one PPT. It will be related to our course only. So the topic is electric scooter case study. We are a group of three people. Myself, Abhishek Devkar. Harshvardhan is there with me, and Manish is there. Introduction: company background. The company entered the electric vehicle segment with launch of first electric scooter 2 years ago. Despite initial anticipation and marketing efforts, the product underperformed in the market, securing only the fourth position in terms of sales and market presence. Business objective for new versions: elevate market standing by climbing at least second position within 12 months in the next version launch. Achieve a 50% increase in total vehicle sales within the fixed 6 months post launch through improved product appeal and marketing strategy. Transform the financial model from 10% loss per unit to at least 10% profit, all without increasing the price point to remain competitive. Our first question related to this topic, this case study, is the company wants to do an analysis of an app and what it needs to improve. Mind maps of 10 features. Here are the 10 features: real time location tracking, battery status with range prediction, trip history and analytics, remote unlock and lock, smart navigation, geofencing, rider profile and behavioral analytics, maintenance alert and scheduling, in-app support, emergency SOS, and updates. And the top most useful features will be battery status with range prediction, real-time location tracking, remote lock unlock, smart navigation with charging stations, and geofencing and anti-theft alerts. The second question is, what are some of designs consideration you would like to design for shortest features, and what all will you need to consider for security of the document while designing the architecture? The design architecture considerations are support for file types, PDF, JPG docs, cloud local storage, version control, compression and caching, user permission and access. Security considerations are end-to-end encryption, secure API, authentication, role-based control, access control, compliance, compliance, and file integrity checks. Now, my colleague Harshvardhan will take over the next slide.
The next question is the list of the potential results for any of the issue which our customers have to explain about and they write the test scenarios. You would like to use the test and the issue we face. The issue number one is the app freezes with the loading trip history. There is a backend overload and poor database queries. If in this scenario are the loading time of only 30 to 60 and 90 days. 7 network condition. Check responses during the multiple times. Issue number two, inaccurate battery range prediction. Reason statistic algorithms. No train users data input. These scenarios are compared and predicted versus actual range. Test with the added weight and analyze hot, cold weather conditions. The next question is the use the inside out and the outside in technique. The releasing a product to the market and list of the top prices who would like to inside out the planning to release a new app to the market and the outside in the planning for the releasing the new app. The inside out internal planning. First is the finalizing the features and with the internal stakeholders. Second one is the performance testing and the QA. And third one is the aligned roadmap with the engineering. Fourth one is the conduct internal user acceptance testing. Fifth one is the backend infrastructure and readiness. Outside in user market and focus. In this segment, first one is the conduct user surveys and collect the feedback. Second is beta launch with the test rights. Third one is analyze feedback and related features. Fourth one is create a marketing launch plan. one is the release with user onboarding support. The next question is the company is collecting the data in the cloud already but has had performed the issue to update, collect the data and update the app. What can be reasons that would be need to improve for the data integration from the vehicle to the cloud and to the same to the data post analysis the app? Possible reasons: latency in the edge processing, insufficient data transfer protocols, API rate limits and bandwidth issue, not fully scalable backend architecture. Improvements: use of MQTT and WebSockets for the real-time update, pre-processor on the vehicle-based device, cloud-side caching and the data queuing, and the use of the microservices for the scalability. The next part will be concluded by my colleague Manish Vandana.
वॉल्यूम आवाज बंद करा मनीष माइक ऑफ है माइक
The company would like the app to have intelligence and provide a recommendation to what to the driver, what kind of data should be app collect from the vehicle, and what kind of recommendation can be done. There it is a possibility to use ML and AI for the analysis and if so what can be the user cases. Data to connect speed, acceleration, battery health, temperature. Second, the duration and patterns. Third, things and environmental data and fourth, charging habits, recommendations, ride efficiency tips, maintenance predictions, optimal charging time, battery duration selection. Third one, ML and AI use cases, predictive maintenance, battery performance forecasting, ride pattern for personalizing, route optimizing via AI algorithms. Next question, what can be the business and operational metrics and measurement the company can use for a new version of the vehicle and the goals they have for it? Business metrics, revenue per vehicle, customer lifetime value CLTV, conversion rate, subscription renewals, net promoter scores, and NPS. Operational metrics, production per unit, production time per unit, fall rate per 1,000 vehicle, app crash rate, delivery SLS performance, mean time between issue. The last question is what can be very user friendly design for a tablet, dashboard, UI or vehicle. Dashboard UI must show speedometer, battery estimate range, GSP map, ride mode, eco and sport, time and weather and others. Next, UI impression. Type for tab for options, swipe for screen tab, zip settings, long press for voice assistant, and digital screen display battery and map. Okay, that's our project on EV case study.
थैंक यू एवरीवन